Stop making eggs until you try these 10 international twists. Eggs are a staple ingredient in many cuisines, and it's amazing to see the diverse ways they're prepared and enjoyed globally. From the spicy kick of Indian masala omelets to the rich flavor of Japanese tamagoyaki, each region has its own unique take on egg dishes. Whether you're a foodie, a traveler, or just a curious cook, exploring international egg recipes can be a thrilling adventure. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 egg dishes from around the world that are not only delicious but also super easy to make. So, if you're looking to spice up your breakfast routine or impress your friends with a new culinary skill, this is the perfect video for you. First up, we have the air fryer omelet, a game changer for those who love a fluffy, cheese-filled breakfast without the fuss of traditional cooking methods. Simply beat some eggs with salt, pepper, and any desired fillings, pour into an air fryer basket, and cook at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. The result is a mouth-watering, perfectly cooked omelet with minimal cleanup. This method is especially great for budget cooking, as it eliminates the need for extra butter or oil. For a restaurant copycat twist, try adding some diced ham or spinach to mimic your favorite diner omelet. Next, we're traveling to Mexico for a budget-friendly breakfast burrito recipe that's packed with flavor. Simply scramble some eggs, add diced onions, bell peppers, and your choice of sausage or bacon, then wrap everything in a tortilla. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle some shredded cheese and a dollop of salsa inside. This dish is not only delicious but also extremely versatile, as you can customize the fillings to suit your dietary preferences and ingredient availability. Plus, it's a great way to use up leftover vegetables or meats, making it an eco-friendly option for meal prep. Moving on to Asia, we find the intriguing dish of steamed eggs with century eggs, a traditional Chinese recipe that may raise some eyebrows due to its unique ingredients. Century eggs, also known as pidden eggs, are fermented for several months, giving them a dark green, creamy yolk and a distinct flavor. When steamed with regular eggs and garnished with soy sauce, ginger, and scallions, this dish becomes a harmonious balance of textures and tastes. Although it may seem exotic, this recipe is surprisingly easy to make and offers a fascinating culinary experience for adventurous eaters. In Europe, particularly in Italy, we have the delectable frittata, which is essentially an Italian omelet filled with vegetables, cheese, and sometimes meat. What makes a frittata stand out is its cooking method. After filling the skillet with your desired ingredients, you finish it off in the oven, allowing the eggs to set and the top to crisp beautifully. This technique results in a dish that's both hearty and elegant, perfect for brunch gatherings or a quick dinner. For a restaurant copycat version, try replicating the fillings and presentation of your favorite Italian eatery. For those who love a good Middle Eastern meal, shakshuka is a must-try. This North African dish consists of eggs poached in a flavorful tomato sauce, often spiced with cumin, paprika, and chili peppers. To make it, simply sauté onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes in olive oil, add your spices, and then crack in the eggs. Cover the skillet and let the eggs cook until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. Serve with crusty bread or over couscous for a truly satisfying meal. This recipe is also very budget-friendly, as it utilizes common pantry staples and can be made in large quantities for a crowd. The Japanese tamagoyaki, or rolled omelet, is another egg dish that showcases the diversity of global cuisine. Made with dashi broth, soy sauce, and sake, this omelet is rolled in a rectangular shape and sliced into pieces, revealing its beautifully layered interior. While the ingredients may seem unusual, the process of making tamagoyaki is straightforward and rewarding, especially for those interested in exploring the nuances of Japanese cooking. It's a great example of how a simple ingredient like eggs can be elevated into a sophisticated dish through careful preparation and presentation. In India, we find the spicy and aromatic masala omelette, which is infused with the warmth of cumin, coriander, and chili peppers. This omelette is a staple in many Indian households and is often served with naan bread or rice. To make it, simply whisk eggs with salt, pepper, and your choice of spices, then add in diced onions, tomatoes, and cilantro. Cook in a skillet greased with ghee or oil until the eggs are set and serve hot. This dish is not only delicious but also very easy on the budget, as it uses common spices and ingredients found in most Indian kitchens. For a truly international twist, let's look at the Korean steamed egg dish, or jjiranjim. This recipe involves steaming eggs with sesame oil, soy sauce, and various seasonings, resulting in a creamy, savory custard. It's often served as a side dish in Korean cuisine and is known for its simplicity and flavor. To make it, simply whisk eggs with salt, pepper, and your desired seasonings, pour into a steamer basket lined with sesame leaves, and steam until the eggs are set. This dish is a great example of how eggs can be used in a variety of culinary contexts and is a must-try for anyone exploring Korean cuisine. Lastly, no discussion of international egg dishes would be complete without mentioning the quiche, a French savory tart filled with eggs, cream, and lardons or bacon. Quiche is incredibly versatile and can be made in a variety of flavors, from the classic quiche Lorraine to more adventurous combinations like mushroom and spinach. The key to a great quiche is using high-quality ingredients and not overmixing the batter, allowing the eggs to cook slowly and evenly in the oven. This dish is perfect for brunch gatherings or as a light dinner, and its elegance makes it a staple in many French restaurants. As we explore these egg dishes from around the world, it's clear that the versatility of eggs knows no borders. From the spicy kick of Indian masala omelets to the elegant simplicity of Japanese tamagoyaki, each dish offers a unique perspective on how eggs can be prepared and enjoyed. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious cook, these recipes are sure to inspire your next culinary adventure and broaden your understanding of global cuisine. So, which of these dishes will you try first? One of the best things about cooking international egg dishes is the opportunity to learn about different cultures and traditions. Each recipe comes with its own story and history, reflecting the values and preferences of the people who created it. By exploring these dishes, we not only expand our culinary skills but also gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of human experience. So, the next time you cook an egg dish, remember that you're not just making a meal, you're connecting with people and traditions from around the world. For those looking to take their egg game to the next level, consider experimenting with different cooking methods and ingredients. Try using an air fryer for a crispy omelet or adding unique spices to your scrambled eggs. The possibilities are endless, and the fun of cooking lies in the discovery of new flavors and techniques. Whether you're a fan of classic dishes or adventurous eats, eggs provide a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. In conclusion, our journey through 10 egg dishes from around the world has shown us the incredible diversity and richness of global cuisine. From the simplicity of steamed eggs to the elegance of quiche, each dish has its own unique charm and story to tell. As we finish this video, we hope you've been inspired to try something new and explore the wonderful world of egg dishes. Remember, cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about connecting with people, places, and traditions, and enjoying the journey of discovery and delight that comes with every bite. And as a final thought, let's go back to where we started, the simple yet powerful egg. Whether you're a foodie, a traveler, or just someone who loves to cook, the egg is a universal ingredient that transcends borders and cultures. So, the next time you crack open an egg, remember the incredible journey it can take you on, from the spicy streets of India to the elegant cafes of France. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures and explorations of global cuisine.